What if you could wake up, step into your garden, and harvest fresh greens for your morning tea, for your breakfast, for your family, all year long? Welcome to the Superfood Garden Summit. 4 transformative days designed to help you grow your own food and your healthiest life. Hosted free every year by Grow Your Own Vegetables. On day 1, you'll build the foundation, turning food scraps into rich compost, creating living soil, and using no-dig methods that make gardening easier every season. On day 2, you'll grow abundance, high-producing vegetables, fruit trees, and perennials that feed you year after year with less work. On day 3, you'll learn how to use your harvest every day, turning herbs into wellness remedies, preserving the flavors of summer, and bringing your garden into your kitchen. And on day 4, your garden goes beyond the bed. Discover how growing food can improve your health, connect your community, and nourish the people you love. You'll learn from 15 of the most trusted teachers in regenerative gardening, herbal medicine, and home food production. Names like Charles Dowding, Ocean Robbins, Seja Popham, Kami McBride, Matt Powers, and many more, each sharing one practical, transformative lesson. Hosted by Denise Bynes, owner of Grow Your Own Vegetables, on a mission to help 1 million new gardeners grow their own food. By the end of these 4 days, you'll know how to build healthy soil, grow more food with less effort, turn your harvest into everyday meals and remedies, and create a garden that truly supports your life. Whether you're just starting out or you've been gardening for years, you'll walk away with simple, practical strategies to grow more, waste less, and feel more connected to your food, your health, and your home. Whether you join us live or watch the replay, your free ticket is waiting. Visit growyourownvegetables.org/summit. That's growyourownvegetables.org/summit and save your seat today.